Joan Bang here, your friend in the real estate business. I want to share a neat opportunity with you, which is to win a nice, relaxing getaway for two to the Ojai Resort and Spa in Ojai, California. The winner's weekend will include a nice stay at a bedroom fireplace suite, delicious breakfast every morning, and a special activity for each person. The special activity could be a round of golf, a classic spa treatment, guided fishing, or kayaking. And to enter this drawing, all you need to do is click on this website below and complete the drawing. And that'll take you less than 30 seconds. Don't miss this wonderful opportunity. And please remember, the next time you're in a conversation with someone and they mention they need real estate help, please feel comfortable to take out your cell phone, look up my number, and call me immediately. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.